Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Not So Vegan Kitchen. And today, you guys, I have breakfast. So good morning to you. I have tofu scramble that I just made. Got a little bit of strawberry on the side and some granola here. So yeah, I am super. Oh, and I also have some. It's not coffee. Normally I do drink coffee a little sometimes, but I just got some cranberry juice. So let's take grace. God is great. God is good. Thank Him for it. Amen. 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 I missed you guys so much. Let's eat. This tofu scramble never fails. When I was transitioning, I was eating eggs every day. Like, eggs was a big part of my breakfast. When I ate breakfast. And so I had to find, like, a substitute. And this is it for me. It's so good. Every time I make this, it's always gone because I have to put aside some for tomorrow if I want some for the next day. Because they will eat it all. But I don't eat this every day. At one point in time, I was eating it like all the time. But now I only try to eat it every once in a while because the soy be having your girl emotional. I be in my feelings with the tofu, all that soy. How y'all been though? I feel like I haven't seen y'all in so long. What y'all been up to? Let me say this now, disclaimer. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my heat. But I just couldn't turn it off, y'all. It's so cold in here. It's so cold. It's been raining all weekend. Y'all know I be liking to talk about the weather with y'all. This is really good. I stumbled upon making this on accident one day. Because I was making it a completely different way. And I can't even remember how I was making it. That's how long ago it was. And all I had in my fridge was the carrots, arugula, tomato, and mushroom. Sorry, my nose has been running. And so I whipped this up. And that's all she wrote. I've tried making it without the carrot, but the carrot gives it that extra crunch, flavor. Really good. I just got some granola here on the side. This is some new granola. I haven't had it yet. It's cranberry granola. I like to eat my granola dry too. Unless I'm feeling like cereal, but for the most part I like it dry. It's pretty good. So y'all, I've been thinking it's so good. You like my coffee mug? It's cute. I saw it in TJ Maxx. I was like, I gotta get it. I can't believe I've become that guy. Stupid. That goes into TJ Maxx and picks up random cheesy coffee mugs. Oh well, I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed one bit. Y'all, I just came in and smashed this. I ain't even offer y'all none. Look, let me. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been messing up. I've been doing that the last couple videos, and I need to get better. This one's for y'all. I don't want to put over. I don't want your food to fall. My bad, y'all. Charge it to my head, not to my heart. But how many of y'all out there are breakfast people? Because I went through a phase where I had to have breakfast every day. But nowadays, it's a mood. Like, I'll have it if I feel like it. Because nowadays I only eat once a day. So, unless I wake up really early, then I may eat twice. I'm gonna have to go back and get some more of this. Matter of fact, let me go before it's all gone. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Had to get some more juice too. Yeah, you can't go wrong with cranberry juice. So yeah, how many of y'all got to have breakfast? Or, focus. Don't start the day. Focus. Always trying to act up on me. Or how many of y'all when I do have breakfast, like have to go out to eat. I used to be like that too. I had a stint, and then that bill got high, and I was like, nah, bruh, you gotta pull it back on that going out for breakfast thing. This is so good. The green onion and cilantro takes it up to the high heavens. Yeah, I had this whole, let me go out for breakfast thing. I used to do that for lunch too. That got quick. But I would go out for breakfast, have my coffee, have my food, be ready to start the day. I can't do that now. Like anytime I go out now, I'm like, I can make that at home and it tastes way better. And I hate that. I hate that my mind automatically goes to there because I have to go somewhere really exclusive for a meal for it to be good. Like the chain restaurants, that ain't gonna do it for me. Now, who would think this little tofu scramble would be hitting like it is? And it's so simple. Y'all know. Y'all watched the video. Yeah, this one ain't gonna fall. I don't think this one gonna fall. There you go. Yeah. But I have noticed that, like, the difference of not eating meat and eating meat, your breakfast seems so much simpler. Or not even necessarily meat, but like eggs. Eggs is a big part of a lot of people's breakfast. That's good. Because you can do so much with eggs. And once you cut it out, it's like, what? You don't have bacon and eggs no more. You don't have omelets. You don't have scrambled eggs. You don't have pancakes. You know, I mean, yeah, you can make vegan pancakes and vegan French toast and stuff, but you can't just boil eggs and go and you gotta be creative with your breakfast. But you shouldn't be eating tofu every day either, because you be crazy out here. You be crying for no reason. A lot of soy is not good for you. So what else should I eat, Mike? For breakfast, might you ask? Very good question. Avocado toast. Amazing. Biscuits. Biscuits and gravy. Pancakes, French toast. Old school cereal, oatmeal. Cream of wheat grits. But all that stuff will put some southern pounds on you. You can't eat that every day either. You be a good old southern vegan. Go to California if you want to. They gonna turn you around, send you back home. You got too much weight on you. He just went off. I didn't realize it was that loud. This is so good. This is so good. You can do this with mushroom or without mushroom. It got a little spice to it because of the chorizo. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Get all that. I'm full now. I shouldn't have went back for seconds. I should have stopped while I was here. That was good. Nola. This is pretty good. It's literally just oats and cranberries. Not bad. Stick to your ribs. I try to be fancy for y'all and cut up my strawberry. Y'all like that? I know some of y'all was probably waiting for me to get to the strawberry, but I cannot for the life of me mix my fruit with my food. I can't do it, y'all. I don't know how people eat like fruit in their salad. Like people be putting mandarins and strawberries in their salad. I throw up. So I gotta wait till it's all done. Then I eat the fruit. It looks so fancy. I'm very particular about my fruit too. I don't want to have no bruises, no bumps, no nothing. Or I won't eat it. It literally has to be perfect. Is that crazy? Please don't tell me that's crazy. Y'all think that's crazy? The seeds. So good. Now that I'm so close to the plate, it smells like Indian food. But it don't taste Indian, I promise. Mm. And also, you know, like, I'm just telling y'all all my weird stuff. But with strawberries, I have to eat it with the leaves still attached. Like, if somebody cuts this off, like if I go to the restaurant and they cut this off and bring it to me, I won't eat it. Saying these things out loud make me feel like, dang, that is kind of weird. But I can't do it, y'all. I don't know. Something about seeing the strawberry exposed and it's just like red at the top. Or if they cut it up for you, I can't. Or fruit salads. Jesus, what? No. No cut up fruit, no fruit salads. All those juices mixing together. Alright. I'm about to send myself into a frenzy. Talking about stuff I don't like. But let me know if y'all like that too. Like, am I tripping? Like, am I just weird? Or y'all feel what I'm talking about? Like, you understand. I need to know that I'm not alone. So I know it's at least one of y'all that got to have my back. At least one. Well, y'all, we made it to the end of another video. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you know I love you. You're a real one. Forever and ever and ever. Please like, comment, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. Also, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. And see, this is why I don't do morning stuff for y'all, because I'm not here yet. But I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.